So far, I understand the clinical trials have shown that the stem cell therapy is
Hell
more
going to
tolerant in
Orleans
humans. But
tonight.
what are some of the issues there so far?
Well, there haven't been any issues. The biggest problem is getting the cells and growing them. So you need a special food manufacturing process facility that has been approved by, in this country, Health Canada. And that's no small venture. There's very few such facilities around, but they're growing in number, and they've been able to produce a number of different types of stem cells. So this is one type of stem cell that we would be working with. It's the one that's been easy to get and has already gone through some preclinical testing in MS so that we don't have as many surprises. These have been given to patients both intravenously and directly into the spine, and very few problems have arisen. There's already some early indications from very small trials that they are capable of doing the kind of repair that we would hope for. The whole idea of this study that we're doing here now in Canada is to link our results with a series of studies that myself and a colleague in Europe started throughout Europe already a year ago, where each center similar to ours is able to put in, say, 10 or 20 patients through this protocol using exactly the same stem cells we're going to drive here into the same type of patient and measure exactly the same outcome. And when we link all the results, we'll have the results on some 200 patients, and that gives us the power to see whether or not there's truly an effect there.
The $4.2 million then, Dr. Freeman, where is the majority of that money going towards?
Well, a little more than half is coming to us as the site that's running this, and the other half is going to Winnipeg, who has a stem cell facility that is just about ready to start doing its cell production. So this is exciting for Winnipeg, because it'll be the first study of cell production that they've been able to do in this brand new facility that they just built.
Could this type of stem cell therapy be used to treat other diseases now?
Well, that's a great question, because mesenchymal stem cells are, it's a very generic cell. You can derive them from many sources, including even fat. Once you culture them and produce them in great numbers, their ability to seek out damage wherever it is and repair it means that there are a number of other conditions that are being looked at as a possible target for these cells. And there's a study ongoing here already at the Ottawa Hospital looking at trying to repair heart muscle. There's a study being looked at that hopefully will help people who are in septic shock. It's been looked at already in small other neurological conditions such as stroke. And if we go outside of the nervous system, I think people are considering them for a number of different diseases for once they no longer have control. But you can imagine it's a very tedious process to get the cells, expand them, and then use them. It's a very expensive one at that.
And for this, you're recruiting participants in Ottawa. What do you need in terms of participants? What are the requirements?
Well, there's a whole list of inclusion-exclusion criteria that the patients could go to the MS Society's website and see, as well as we'll have a link on our own website, and the trial's already listed in the International ClinicalTrials.gov website. And the nice thing about this is that there are patients with every form of MS that are potentially eligible for the study. So we're not excluding anybody, but if they meet the criteria, they would be able to enter the study.
Dr. Freeman, we've got a link up on our website with the information for potential participants. Thanks very much for being with us today.
Oh, great. You're very welcome.
That's Dr. Mark Freeman, Director of the Multiple Sclerosis Research Unit at the Ottawa Hospital. He's also a Professor of Medicine at the University of Ottawa. Once again, the link with the information for potential participants, cbc.ca/all-in-a-day. Signs of momentum are all around us. From light rail
fast, okay?
So that
we don't do Bank Street at the same time as Bronson, so it would create havoc amongst two north-south routes. But there's no question we're doing a lot of work. We actually fast-tracked a number of projects in our Ottawa on the Move project that would have been done maybe 3 or 4 years down the road for a couple of reasons. One, because we wanted to get them done as quickly as possible, get them out of the way before the major work begins on light rail transit, so that we don't have even greater traffic jams on a go-forward basis. And, you know, there are a lot of your listeners right now probably going bumper to bumper on the Queensway and Carling, and that's more the cause of snow today, the first snow day. But Ottawa on the Move was all about trying to fast-track these projects so that we could concentrate on getting most of the downtown work out of the way before 2017, 2018. 2017, because that's our big 150th anniversary, and we don't want to have large gaping construction holes on Queen Street and so on. And 2018 is when light rail kicks off and we have our first light rail transit rides.
So is there a point, though, where, to address Suzanne's question about how you determine, okay, this is just going to be too much construction in one area, is there ever too much? Is there ever a point where the city says, no, we can't have all of that happening at the same time?
Well, we do. And, you know, as I said, you remember the Glebe went through that massive rebuild, and we did that in anticipation of the redevelopment of Lansdowne. And we wanted to get it out of the way before the Lansdowne project started its construction. So it may seem a lot of the time that the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing, but we do our best to keep major north-south, east-west routes open and coordinate with the province, for instance, when they're doing bridge replacements. But it is inconvenient. I can't sugarcoat the fact that there is a lot of work being done. A lot of this should have been done years ago, and we're playing catch-up. You know, we've seen, for instance, that whether it's a sinkhole at the 174 or water main on Woodruff Avenue where the systems are failing, because the work probably in many cases should have been done well in advance. And what I tried to do in the last term of council and get my council colleagues' support is move forward these projects at a faster pace so that we don't have the kind of gridlock that we've had the last couple of years.
Trying to get a job
but
here.
when you're building a light rail system and you're expanding the Queensway to accommodate the buses,
Maybe.
the transitway is converted to rail,
Be a good place.
there are going to be challenges, no question about that.
Earl wrote in with a question about plans for pedestrians around the LRT construction sites. He writes, after the epic failure of pedestrian infrastructure along Albert Street and the Preston Street expansion, I have grave concerns. Have serious plans been made to accommodate